Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to set up the Twilio Connect extension for Zoho CRM. Before configuring the Twilio Connect for Zoho CRM extension, you must create a Twilio account and collect the required credentials from the Twilio console. This is the dashboard of the Twilio console. From here, we will get the Twilio credentials. The prerequisites are an active Twilio account, a verified Twilio phone number capable of sending SMS, and administrator access to your Twilio console. Next, let us look at the credentials the extension requires. The credentials are the Twilio account SID, the Twilio auth token, the Twilio API key SID, the Twilio API key secret, and the Twilio phone number. These are the credentials we need for the Zoho CRM extension. On the dashboard page, you will find the account SID and the auth token. After copying these, we need to create a Twilio API key, so let us move on to that process. Just below the account info, you will see a button labeled Go to API Keys. Click on it. You will be redirected to the API Keys and Tokens page. From here, click the Create API Key button. Now enter the following details. A friendly name for your API key, the region, and the key type. The key type should be restricted, and the region should remain United States, which is the default. The friendly name is your own choice. I am using test3. After this, click the Create button. You can now see the SID and the secret key displayed here. Please copy the secret key, because once you leave this page it will never be shown again. Make sure you copy it and paste it somewhere safe. Then accept the confirmation, and click the Done button. You can now see the API key name test3 appearing here. That is how you create your API key for the extension. Now we will obtain a Twilio phone number. We will go back, and here we can see the phone numbers option. Click on it, and then click Manage Active Numbers. Here you can see your active numbers. Choose the one you want to use. Now we will learn how to install and set up the CRM extension, whose name is Twilio Connect for Zoho CRM. So here we will accept the terms of service and authorize the connection to access the extension features. Then click on Continue. Now we will see the screen, where we have to choose the users and profiles to make it available for us. So we will click Install for all users, then Confirm. So here we will see a pop-up which tells us the extension installation status, which we are seeing here. Now we see another pop-up, which is the extension settings pop-up. Here we can set the prerequisite information for the Twilio account, and the API function URL is automatically generated from the extensions function. So please fill in the necessary values, like the Twilio account SID and many more. So you can see here we have filled in the field values as per the requirement. And make sure the Twilio phone number starts with +1. Then click the Save button to configure the values. After configuring the extension settings, you can move on to the main page of Zoho CRM to access the extension. Now you can click on the desired lead where you want to send the SMS. Now here you can see this is a lead record detail page, and in the related list here you can see the Twilio option. We will click on it, and the Twilio embedded section appears. Here we can click on Type a Message. Here we have an option to type a message freely, or just insert a template, which is predefined and already has a message body defined. And in that message body, we have the option to get the lead name or any contact name by default, without putting it in manually. Now we will configure the webhook URL to enable two-way SMS communication between Twilio and the Zoho CRM extension. We will configure the webhook URL for your Twilio phone number. To configure it, click on the active number. You can see that we are on the Configure page, below the Voice Configuration section. We will find a section named Messaging Configuration. Here we have a field named A Message Comes In. For that option, choose Webhook. In the webhook URL field, paste the API function URL. Copy it from the Zoho CRM. Extension settings, where it is provided by default. Set the HTTP request method to HTTP post. Now click Save. I have already configured mine. So please make sure that you configure yours correctly. Here you have seen that we have already sent new messages, such as Hi and How are you? Now we can use a template to merge any field value like this one. Here we have merged the value McLead sample. This is the last name of the lead record. So we will learn how to do this. We will do it by using the Insert Template option. Here you will see the lead welcome template, which I have created. In the same way, you can create a lead template or a contact template, whichever you require. So now let us move forward and see how to create a template for SMS. We will move to the Twilio Connect Teamspace. Here you will see two modules, SMS logs and SMS templates. We will click on SMS templates. Here you can see the lead welcome template, which I created earlier. Now we need to create a new one. Here we need to fill in the SMS template information. Then we have the message body, where we have to write what the message will contain. Here you can choose the applicable module where you want to use it. Then write the name of the template. Make sure the field name is correct, because the field value will not be picked up if you do not put the correct field name in the message body. Then we will choose the applicable module. Now we will save. Now we will move back to the CRM Teamspace. Open the Leads section. Here we will see the Twilio section. We will click on Insert Template. You can see that two templates are available here. The first one is the Lead Follow-up template, and the other one is the Lead Welcome template. One of them I created earlier, and the follow-up one I have just created. You can see here that in place of the last name, we get the value of the last name field. We have done the same thing in this format as well. You can see here that the message was sent. We also have more options, like the search option. We can search the messages. For example, if you want to search for the hi message, we can type hi. Now you can see that the hi message was found using the search option. Now we will remove it. If we want to apply a filter, we can also do that. Let us see. Here we have the filter for received messages. If we receive any type of message, we can see it here, along with whether it was sent or failed. You can also see failed messages, sent messages, and all messages. We can refresh it by using the refresh button to keep it up to date. Now we will go through the SMS logs. We can also see that above the chat section there is a section named SMS logs. Here you can see all the logs. Now, in this lead record, we will only see the logs created for this particular lead. But in all SMS logs, we will get the records of every lead. For that, we will move to the Twilio Connect Teamspace. Here you will see the SMS Logs module, where we have all the logs. We can also filter by using the SMS log name. Here we also have a filter option, and if we want to see the details, we can click on a log to see the details of that particular log. In the same way, we can send a message from the Contacts module too. So if you want to send a message to a contact, you can send it from there as well. That is how you send and track your messages using Twilio within Zoho CRM. Now let us see how the reply works. We will move to the messaging section. Here we will see a section named Try It Out. And within it, another section named Send an SMS. If we want to send a reply, we choose how to send it, using either a virtual phone number or a personal number. I am using a personal number for this test. So we will click Send to a personal number. Here I will enter the number that I want to send the message to. Now we will select the number to send the message from. Type your message, and then click. The Send an SMS button. Here you will see that the notification has arrived and a response has been generated. We can see the response in the CRM. So now let us check it. Just refresh here and go to the Twilio section. Here is the message that we received through Twilio. Hello, I am fine. Thank you for watching.